Hello and welcome back. In this video we are going to split and the 3D model for 3D printing, and this is a monster model from one of my client. We need to split arms, legs and these objects separately. This is the customer requirement to split it into smaller pieces to fit on printer bed size. So we are going to split with the previous method which I showed in the last video. We can use that to split it into smaller pieces. So for that we need to add a plane, scale it up and rotate it like this and scale it down. Yes, this is enough. Now adjust this at a place where we want to produce the cut, and I think this is the best way to cut any 3D model, and this is the very short and very easy method. Here we can see that this is enough. We need to split it from this area. We need to add a modifier. The modifier is solidify, and thickness is about 0.0001. Yes, this is enough. Apply, and after that we need to make copies of this. For that shift D and duplicate, rotate it like this, and I will put it here. And we need to adjust these planes like this where we want to produce cuts. So the customer wants to cut from these areas, and I will adjust these planes here where I want to cut. Yes, good. I will make more copies, or I can add another plane. Here I will cut these two wings at the same time. For that I need to adjust like this and scale it a little bit, and then I need to move from this to this. Yes, this is enough to cut, but here is a small issue. I need to solve this one. So yes, now it's pretty good to split this model, but again I need to apply modifier, which is solidify, and with the help of this I will make more parts, or I will make copies of this one. So I will click on this and shift D, and scale it like this. And the top view, no, this is not right, so I need to adjust it more. Yes, this is good. And this is creating a small trouble, so I will adjust it at this place. For this I need to adjust like this, and I think this will easily split. Now first select a slicer. This is our slicer, and then press shift and then our main body. Go to bool tool and difference. This will take some time, and now here is a cut which is not visible clearly, but I will show you how it works. First we need to produce more cuts. Again, by pressing shift and selecting both and then difference, this will create another cut. and this one and this, and again difference, and here is another. Yes. Now after doing this, go to edit mode, and in edit mode select A for to select all, and then press P and by loose parts and go to object mode. Now we can see that these are our separate parts. Look at this. Now we can move like this. And this was the cut which I produced previously, which is not included in this video, but yes, this is my own work. Go to like this. Now here we can see that our part is split into small parts. I hope this video will help you to split these complex objects for 3D printing and to fit on bed size. Thank you.